Good morning, I'm Katie Rotella, spokesperson for Pan American Seed. Happy to show you some great new ways to dress up your garden and the landscapes with our Sol collection of foliage celosia. This is considered kind of your summer cabbage. Look at this great foliage structure on these two varieties, Gecko Green and Lizard Leaf. One's very deep, rich burgundy, and one has some green edging. The flower is really not important with these celosias. You're really growing them for some excellent texture. They'll take the heat and sun, very tolerant of the weather. So a great way to kind of edge your border, separate them from your other color and plants in your garden, or they make really great and excellent components in mixed combos as well. We're really proud to kind of broaden this line of fantastic foliage varieties from Pan American Seed. A great way to showcase foliage plants without having to worry about flowers. No need to deadhead, no need to worry about sun or shade. They've got a great opportunity all the way down the line of different ways to dress up your garden for the summer.